Top 10 essay topics about corporate finance. International corporate finance, the global financial environment. When writing on this topic, you can explore how factors like economic conditions and geopolitical events impact multinational corporations' financial decisions. What is the importance of risk management and currency hedging in mitigating global financial uncertainties? Emphasize the need for a comprehensive understanding of the global financial environment to make informed decisions. Fundamental principles of corporate finance. This paper talks about some essential concepts like risk and return and opportunity cost. How do these principles guide investment, financing, and dividend policies? Mention how a solid grasp of these fundamentals empowers managers to make informed financial choices. Corporate finance, weighted average cost of capital. The weighted average cost of capital, WACC, is a critical metric in corporate finance. In this essay, you can explain how WACC is calculated and its significance in capital budgeting and investment decisions. What is the role of WACC in evaluating project feasibility? Corporate finance and governance of 1980s. When writing about this topic, you can explore how hostile takeovers and leveraged buyouts reshaped corporate structures and strategies. Examine the ethical and regulatory debates surrounding these practices. Outline case studies of iconic corporate finance events from the 1980s. Corporate finance and business ownership types. A paper with this title could compare how corporate finance principles apply to publicly traded corporations, NGOs, privately held companies, and family-owned enterprises. Discuss the implications of ownership structure on financing options, decision-making processes, risk management strategies, and other aspects. Be sure to include examples to illustrate the unique challenges and advantages of each type. Corporate finance, business valuation methodologies. Start your writing by exploring the methodologies used to assess a company's worth, such as discounted cash flow analysis and asset-based approaches. What are the strengths and limitations of each method? Mention the importance of accurate valuation in informed financial decision-making. Corporate finance, tools, analysis, financial solutions. You can begin your essay by investigating tools like financial ratios, SWOT analysis, cost-benefit analysis, scenario planning, and others. Talk about how these tools aid in evaluating projects, risks, and opportunities and making strategic financial decisions. You can list some examples of how companies have used these tools to optimize their financial outcomes. Strategic corporate finance and its importance. In this paper, investigate how financial strategy impacts areas like capital structures and resource allocation. Emphasize the symbiotic relationship between financial strategy and overall business strategy. What is the significance of integrating financial considerations into strategic planning? Corporate finance, capital budgeting. Capital budgeting involves evaluating investment opportunities. You can start by explaining the process, from project identification to post-implementation analysis. Discuss techniques like net present value, NPV, internal rate of return, IRR, payback period, and others. We suggest you talk about real-world examples of projects that have been evaluated using these methods. Corporate finance fundamentals in the UAE, specifications analysis. Focus your writing on the UAE and analyze how corporate finance fundamentals are tailored to the region's economic characteristics. Discuss factors like oil dependency and geopolitical stability. Look into UAE-based companies and how they have navigated unique financial challenges.